G'day guys, welcome back. How are we? Gonna play KPOW Pig. This is the big one, Noble Warrior. My wife is sitting beside me, so she's gonna push the buttons. We'll start with $1.50. I'll do my best to get back far enough. So we need, keep going, 3 of those doors on the middle 3, or 6 pigs. Just keep going. One more. It's right on top. I like the free spins on this with the multiplier in the middle. Oh, what happened there? Did I? Oh, I had $50 on my card. Oh, I didn't even look at that. Oh, well, hang on then. $2.50. Let's do that till we hit 100. How smart am I? Just turn it down a little bit. Oh, no, leave it. It's got quiet. All right, here we go. We want 10 times multiplier in the start. In the middle. Oh, come on, 10 times. We got blocked by the piggies. It's all right, we're at 36. No tripod tonight either. Last one. Be nice. Ah, pigs. That's all right. $63. Not bad. We might play this down to our 150. We'll see how we go. I don't want to chase the piggy bonus like last time. I want to try and get on the all aboard, but someone's sitting there at the moment. Oh, not all aboard, sorry. Bull rush. One more here, and $3. Come on, pigs. No, I want the free spins. Come on, free spins. Oh, $17 for that. Two more. Last one. All right, give us a second and we will be back with something else. My wife wants to keep going, so we're going to go $1.50 till we hit 100. Sorry, it's hard to film this. Hopefully they'll be off bull rush by the time that happens. Hopefully. There's nothing happening. I'm going to go to 5-cent denom. Go $1.25. So with the KPOW pig, it doesn't matter what denomination you're on. It's your bet size that determines how much that is. I'm going to push the button here for a minute. My wife's going to go and sit on the bull rush. So we will play this down to the 100. And then we're going to play the bull rush. It's done absolutely nothing since that first bonus. Last one. Alright, I'll be back in a minute with bull rush. We made it to bull rush. There's our jackpots. We're going to start on 1 cent. $1.50 bets. One more. Hey. Hang on 2 secs. Alright, that looks a bit better. $4.50. Actually, I feel we might be better off on 5-cent denom, betting $1.25. It's less lines, but our bonuses are bigger. If we happen to get something. There's no ball showing up here. Alright, last one on 1 cent. Let's go straight to 5 cents. $1.25. $50 mini, $2.50. twice it's done that now without splitting. We haven't even had a line hit, have we? Take win. $2. See if this is any better. Come on, come on. Wow. Terrible, terrible, terrible. All right, let's go back to 1 cent. $1.50. Of course. Well, $4.40, the biggest win. Come on. Oh, no. At least the trains are showing. Come on, ball. Come on, ball. Yay! Turn it down. Finally got it. What? Oh, $15. That's not bad. So there's our bonuses. Here we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Thank you. We got half our money back. I think we're dead already. Oh, no, we're not. One more. Let's go again. Yes. We got 100 back. It's not massive. Last one, be nice. No, that's all right. That's all right. That's 100x bonus. That's the 100x bonus that we're looking for. All right, we'll go down to our 100 and do a runner. I thought we were going back to back. Took a long time to hit. Lucky it was reasonable. Split. No. Yeah. Hang on. All right, we're back. Continuing on. Might have brought us a little bit of luck, that little break. No, it didn't. Two more spins. Last one. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that KPOW Pig and Bull Rush. Don't mind these couple of new machines. Haven't done fantastic on them, but we've done alright. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it around, and I'll see you again shortly with another one. Alright, I just checked the video and it's not quite long enough for my liking, so we're now on 10 cent denom and we're going to go 250 bets. See how this goes. I'd like to get the bulls now. Sorry, 6 bulls now. Oh my goodness. At least it's not splitting. Hopefully when we need it to, it will. Didn't need it then. One more spin on 10 cents. We'll go 5 cents. Still 250. 50 mini, 250 major, 500 maxi. Bugger. Drop it to $1.25. How many times have we had two? So many times. Oh, just missed it on the end reel. Come on. Be nice. That's not nice. That's not being nice. No. No, we've been boned. We should have run away. We got 2 spins left. Last one. Be nice. Oh. All right, that's it. Now I'm running away. Thank you for watching. Catch you tomorrow with another one.